I don't know whether you've ever heard of artist trading cards, or ATC, but if you haven't, it would be really worthwhile to go to Google that and find out everything you can about this wonderful way to connect with artists all over the world. What they do is that everybody that's involved makes cards that are this size, 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And they'll do them in all different kinds of media. It's not just wax, all different kind of media. But then they'll trade with each other in groups all over the world. They don't sell them, they just trade them one for one. And they create great big huge albums of work from all over the world, and it's just a wonderful thing to get involved with. There's also local groups that you can find that they meet together and work together to do this. So what's nice about this is that when you're doing whatever art form, but especially with wax, let's say that you've done something and you really like a little section of this painting that you've done, but you don't really like the rest of it. You can take this size, lay it over your artwork, draw it out, and then cut out the section and have your little trading card piece that you can then offer to somebody else around the world. And you can just create a wonderful network in this way.